Have you ever tried difficult diets that left you feeling tired, hungry, and frustrated, but still didn't give you the results you were promised? Maybe you followed strict rules, cut out all the foods you enjoy, or tried to eat as little as possible. At first, you might feel motivated and see small changes, but very quickly your energy drops, your mood changes, and the diet starts to feel impossible. You feel like you're constantly fighting your own body. If you've experienced this before, it's not because you lack discipline or motivation. It's because most diets are designed in a way that normal people cannot maintain for long. In this video, we're going to break that cycle by talking about 3 diets that are simple, realistic, and effective. These are not extreme plans meant to punish you. They are practical approaches that real people can follow in real life. And when followed consistently, they can help you lose fat faster without suffering. The first diet is a high-protein simple diet, and this is one of the most powerful tools for fat loss. Protein plays a huge role in controlling hunger and appetite. When you eat meals that are high in protein, your body feels satisfied for longer periods of time, which naturally reduces overeating and constant snacking. Instead of thinking about food all day, you feel calm and in control around meals. Protein also helps reduce cravings, especially for sugary and processed foods. Another critical benefit of protein is muscle preservation. Many people lose weight but end up looking softer or weaker because they lose muscle along with fat. Losing muscle slows down your metabolism and makes fat loss harder in the long term. Eating enough protein helps protect your muscles so your body focuses on burning fat instead. This leads to a healthier, leaner, and stronger body. The best part is that this diet does not require complicated planning or calorie counting. The main focus is simply making sure every meal contains a clear source of protein. Eggs, chicken, fish, yogurt, beans, meat, or similar foods all work. When protein becomes the foundation of your meals, everything else becomes easier. The second diet is a low-sugar, whole food diet, which focuses on removing the foods that silently sabotage fat loss. Sugar and highly processed foods cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. These spikes increase hunger, cravings, and fat storage, especially around the belly area. When you constantly eat sugary or processed foods, your body is always chasing the next energy spike, which leads to overeating without even realizing it. By reducing sugar intake and focusing on whole foods, your blood sugar becomes more stable. This stability leads to better energy levels, fewer cravings, and more control over your appetite. You stop feeling extreme hunger between meals and start feeling satisfied after eating. This diet does not mean you have to fear carbohydrates. It simply means choosing better sources. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, rice, potatoes, eggs, and meat provide nutrients, fiber, and energy without triggering overeating. Because these foods are more filling, you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. This approach works especially well because it can be followed long term. You are not dieting for a few weeks. You are changing how you eat in a realistic way. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. The third diet is time-restricted eating, sometimes called simple fasting. Instead of focusing on what foods you eat, this method focuses on when you eat. Many people eat from early morning until late at night, often out of habit rather than hunger. This long eating window makes it very easy to consume more calories than the body needs. Time-restricted eating creates structure by limiting your eating to a specific window, usually 8 to 10 hours per day. For example, you might eat your first meal at noon and your last meal at 8 in the evening. Outside of this window, you don't eat food, but you can still drink water, black coffee, or tea. This simple change often leads to a natural reduction in calorie intake without forcing restriction. It also allows your body to spend more time burning stored fat. Over time, many people notice improved digestion, better mental clarity, and fewer late-night cravings. This approach works well because it removes mindless eating and builds awareness around hunger. Now, while diet plays the biggest role in fat loss, it's important to remember that exercise supports and accelerates the process. Exercise is not just about burning calories. It improves metabolism, preserves muscle, and changes how your body uses energy. You don't need intense workouts or hours in the gym. Even simple movement can have a powerful impact. Walking regularly helps increase daily calorie burn and improves overall health. Strength training is especially important because muscle tissue burns more calories even at rest. The more muscle you maintain, the easier it becomes to lose fat and keep it off. You don't need heavy weights or advanced programs. Body weight exercises, resistance bands, or light dumbbells are more than enough to get results. Cardio activities like walking, cycling, or light jogging improve heart health and help create a calorie deficit without stressing your body. Exercise also improves mood, confidence, and motivation. When you move your body consistently, you feel better mentally, which makes it easier to stay on track with your diet. Diet and exercise work best together, not against each other. And now here is the most important message. Fat loss is not about perfection. It's not about doing everything right every single day. It's about consistency over time. Small, simple actions repeated daily are far more powerful than extreme efforts done for a short period. You don't need to change your life overnight. Start with one habit. Eat more protein. Reduce sugar. Control your eating window. Add regular movement. Stay patient and trust the process. Progress might feel slow at times, but slow progress is still progress. Stop comparing yourself to others and stop chasing quick fixes. Your body will change if you give it the time and consistency it deserves. Every healthy choice you make is a step forward, even if it feels small. Don't quit just because results aren't instant. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep going. If you do that, fat loss is not a matter of if, it's only a matter of when. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.